Unit 4, Lesson 7. What fraction of a group? Number 1. A recipe calls for 1/2 pound of flour for one batch. How many batches can be made with each of the following amounts? A. 1 pound. With 1 pound of flour, you'd be able to make 2 batches. B. 3/4 of a pound. With 3/4 of a pound of flour, you'd be able to make 1.5 batches. C. 1/4 of a pound. With 1/4 of a pound of flour, you'd be able to make 1/2 of a batch. Number 2. Whiskers the cat weighs 2 2/3 kilograms. Piglio weighs 4 kilograms. For each question, write a multiplication and a division equation, decide whether the answer is greater or less than 1, and answer the question. A. How many times as heavy as Piglio is Whiskers? This answer is going to be less than 1. The multiplication equation would be what number times 4 equals 2 2/3, and the division equation would be 2 2/3 divided by 4 equals what number? Whiskers is 2/3 as heavy as Piglio. B. How many times as heavy as Whiskers is Piglio? This answer is going to be greater than 1. The multiplication problem would be what number times 2 2/3 equals 4, and the division problem would be 4 divided by 2 2/3 equals what number? Piglio is 1.5 times as heavy as Whiskers. Number 3. Andre is walking from home to a festival that is 1 5/8 kilometers away. He takes a quick rest after walking 1/3 kilometers. In this situation, which question can be represented by the equation what number times 1 5/8 equals 1/3? A. What fraction of the trip has Andre completed? This is the sentence that best represents the equation. Number 4. Draw a tape diagram to represent and answer the question. What fraction of 2.5 is 4/5? This entire tape diagram represents 2.5, which is equivalent to 25/10. The shaded section represents 8/10, which is equivalent to 4/5. There are 25/10 total, but only 8 of them are shaded. 8 shaded out of 25 in the group is 8 out of 25, which is 8/25. 4/5 is 8/25 of 2.5. Number 5. How many groups of 3/4 are in each of the following quantities? A. 11/4. Each of these blue boxes represents 1/4, and I've drawn 11 blue boxes representing 11/4. I have 3 sets of 3/4 plus an additional 2 boxes. Each of those boxes is a 1/4, which is 2 out of 3/4, or 2/3 of 3/4. There are 3 2/3 groups of 3/4 in 11/4. Each of these blue boxes represents 1 whole. Each red line represents 1/4. There are 8 2/3 groups of 3/4 in 6.5. Number 6. Which question can be represented by the equation 4 divided by 2/7 equals what number? The answer is B. How many 2/7 are in 4? Congratulations! You have completed Unit 4, Lesson 7. What fraction of a group?